In October 2017, astronomers detected an unprecedented interstellar phenomenon, an object traversing the solar system. They named it Oumuamua, which in Hawaiian means scout or messenger, and since then, it has received a great deal of attention, scientific speculation, and debate. Its trajectory, elongated shape, and inexplicable behaviors made it one of the greatest mysteries of contemporary astronomy. Now, thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we have the first real image of Oumuamua, the interstellar explorer. It looked like nothing we'd ever seen before. Unlike comets, it lacked a visible tail and showed no evidence of outgassing. In addition, unlike asteroids, it accelerated away from the Sun in a manner that could not be explained by gravity or any known forces. Since its discovery, several research hypotheses have been put forward, ranging from shards of hydrogen ice to the possibility that it is an advanced spacecraft designed by an alien civilization. But no definitive answer had been confirmed. Launched in December 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope was designed to unravel the most complex mysteries of the universe. Its ability to observe the infrared spectrum allows it to capture details that no other telescope can. When Webb turned its gaze toward Oumuamua, now much farther away from our solar system, it captured something amazing, the very first real image of this mysterious interstellar object. The image from Webb confirmed what could only be speculated before, that Oumuamua has an elongated and asymmetrical shape, with a surface characterized by craters and grooves, indicators of countless billions of years spent traversing space between stars. But the most surprising discovery was the composition of its surface. Complex organic compounds and elements not commonly found in our solar system. This, of course, suggests that Oumuamua originated in a cosmic environment very different from our own. One of its greatest mysteries has been its unusually rapid acceleration as it left our solar system. Webb's observations have ruled out outgassing, but they've raised new possibilities. One fascinating theory is that its acceleration may result from an unusual mechanism, like a light sail, an imaginable technology that uses the pressure of light to move through space. Thanks to the James Webb Telescope's ability to analyze reflected light, scientists have been able to decipher the composition of Oumuamua's surface. The data reveals a mix of metallic and mineral compounds unknown in our solar system, along with traces of elements that may form organic molecules. Among the most fascinating findings is the presence of a highly reflective material, which could also explain its unusual brightness, along with substances suggesting that Oumuamua could have formed in a young, active star system. These discoveries offer key clues about the processes occurring in regions of the universe where matter is organized in ways completely different from those in our cosmic neighborhood. The most recent theories suggest that Oumuamua could be a fragment of a planet destroyed by extreme gravitational forces. Forces brought about by a massive star or a nearby black hole that may have stretched and torn the planet apart, forming objects with unusual shapes. If this theory is correct, Oumuamua would be a survivor of a catastrophic event, carrying with it the history of a lost world. This opens up a new window to examine how star systems evolve over time and how catastrophic events can lead to the creation of new cosmic structures. As it continues traversing the galaxy, the organic substances on Oumuamua's surface have led to speculations about its function as a carrier of the building blocks of life in a universe full of possibilities. Could Oumuamua be a natural vehicle for distributing such molecules? This phenomenon, known as interstellar panspermia, raises the potential that objects like Oumuamua are crucial to spreading the ingredients necessary for life across the cosmos. Not only does this redefine our understanding of the universe, but it also makes us wonder whether our own existence could be linked to similar events in Earth's past. More than just an interstellar object, Oumuamua is a time capsule, carrying with it stories of cosmic events that took place over billions of years. Its study has taught us not only where it came from, but also how systems interact and evolve in the galaxy. In addition, the analysis of Oumuamua lays the foundation for future missions aimed at capturing and studying these interstellar travelers, offering a new perspective on the dynamics of the galaxy. This discovery is a powerful reminder that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be found. And Oumuamua is only the beginning. Oumuamua, the interstellar messenger. Oumuamua not only puts scientific theories to the test, but also challenges our perception of our place in the universe. Its arrival reminds us that we are a tiny segment of an enormous and vast cosmos, where such events take place constantly, even well out of our sight. If this object has an artificial origin, it may be the first instance of indirect contact with the help of an alien intelligence, a possibility that would transform our understanding of life and intelligence in the universe. Oumuamua has, of course, inspired a new generation of scientists and engineers to think outside the box. One example is the Breakthrough Starshot project, which seeks to develop solar system probes that can travel at relativistic speeds. This marks the commencement of an interstellar era in research. These potential future missions could not only intercept Oumuamua-like objects but also investigate their features in detail, helping us answer questions that still remain. With each new finding, we move toward a future where people could do more than just observe the universe. They could interact with it in ways we can't yet fathom. The interstellar messenger Oumuamua is much more than just an object that passed through our solar system. It is an open door to a universe full of possibilities and unanswered questions. These discoveries have changed astronomy and inspired deeper reflection on our place in the cosmos and our future. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we've taken another step forward in understanding what it feels like to be a part of something so vast. Oumuamua, and the complex universe it symbolizes, is a reminder that although we are small, our curiosity and desire to explore make us significant. The universe is great at inviting us to dream, and Oumuamua is just the beginning. What other secrets await us out there? Only time and our tireless pursuit of knowledge will reveal the answers. Now, please share your thoughts in the comments box. What do you believe Oumuamua is actually telling us? If you'd like to continue investigating the mysteries of the universe, don't forget to sign up to the channel and activate the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Oumuamua's discovery has not only begun a brand new chapter in observational astronomy, but it has also challenged preconceived notions about the outermost regions of our solar system. Traditionally, astronomers believed that interstellar space, the vast expanse between stars, was too empty and hostile for the regular movement of solid objects. Oumuamua forever altered that perspective. Scientists have studied it ever since, intensifying efforts to detect similar objects. Fresh initiatives like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory's Legacy Survey of Space and Time, LSST, aim to survey both space and time to identify fast-moving interstellar bodies entering our solar system. This allows us to investigate them up close, or even catch them with spacecraft. With this growing capability, Oumuamua may be remembered not just as a mystery, but as the first of many such messengers from beyond. The implications extend much further than astronomy. The chemical compounds found on the surface of Oumuamua imply that essential ingredients for life, organic molecules, can form in a variety of cosmic environments. This bolsters one of the most profound scientific ideas: that life may not be unique to Earth. If objects like Oumuamua travel between star systems carrying complex molecules, they could serve as seeds of life, sown far and wide across the galaxy. Some researchers even speculate about technosignatures, indications of advanced technology that might be detectable in future interstellar visitors. If an object shows characteristics inconsistent with natural formation, such as precise geometric shapes, consistent non-gravitational propulsion, or unusual materials, it might usher in a new era in the pursuit of extraterrestrial intelligence. Despite its scientific value, Oumuamua also touches something deeper: our imagination. It reminds us of how little we actually understand about the universe, and how each discovery, no matter how strange, pushes the boundary of what we consider possible. In response, numerous space agencies and private companies have addressed this mystery and started planning missions that might one day intercept or catch up with interstellar objects. Projects like the proposed Project Lyra, developed by the Initiative for Interstellar Studies, are exploring the use of solar sails or high-speed propulsion to pursue Oumuamua or its successors into deep space. These missions may make it possible to study such objects directly, even retrieve samples. A sample return mission to an interstellar object would represent one of the most ambitious projects in history, providing us with tangible evidence from another star system and potentially rewriting everything we know about the formation of planets, stars, and even life itself. Moreover, Oumuamua's legacy may influence how we design future telescopes and instruments, optimized for tracking high-speed objects. Such tools could become common in the coming decades. These upgrades would not only help us detect interstellar visitors more effectively but also strengthen our planetary defense capabilities. In many ways, Oumuamua is a cosmic invitation, a chance for humanity to look beyond its own celestial backyard and embrace the reality that we are part of a much more interconnected and active universe. This is more than just a rock or a spacecraft. It's a metaphor for exploration, mystery, and the unending questions that still await us among the stars.